morning, everyone. It's Monday, June 13th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar, and we start the day looking at the economic calendar, where there are no real market-moving announcements that are going to be made today. The next important announcement that is going to affect the market is right down here on Wednesday, the FOMC statement at 2 p.m. I did skip Tuesday. Nothing's going to happen Tuesday either on the announcement front. Moving over to the morning news, flags are in the red and by a wide margin, but I'm going to temper that when I get into my discussion of the S&P Eminis. So the Dow is down 550 points on these are the futures. S&P down 85, NASDAQ down 328. Oil is down a little bit. It was 122, now it's 118. Not a real big, not going to make any difference at the pump. Look at the interest rates. Treasuries, 10-year Treasuries, 3.253. That is poking up over even last week. So what's going to happen with the market today? Well, moving over to the E-mini. This is the E-mini, a 3-minute chart. I'm sorry, a 5-minute chart of the E-mini. And this is where the market was trading. Actually, is trading right now at 38.18. 38.18, mark that number. Just keep that in mind, 38.18. I have my trading zone drawn on my chart if I scroll to the left, but I'm not going to do that because you can get those numbers if you subscribe to my report. But basically, I want to show you the trading zone and the actual prices for Friday. Now, on Friday, the inflation numbers were announced. They came out at 8:30, and look what happened here. The market was coming into the open, approaching the open at 8:30, just at equilibrium where it closed on Thursday. But when the core consumer price index was announced, prices dropped like a stone. Why did they drop like a stone? There shouldn't be any expectation that interest rates were sort of high, or that inflation rather was high. So why did it drop so precipitously? Well, it dropped because most likely there was some talk in the back rooms that the inflation report was not going to be as bad as publicly announced. And so there was some expectation that inflation would be peaking. That certainly was not the case when the report came out. So the market dropped like a stone. And actually, the day's action was over before the market opened at 9:30. The market opened over here and moved down a little bit more after that, but basically finished the day flat. Okay, so the jitters were caused by an unexpected announcement over here. I say unexpected, and I believe that I'm right here. So what's going to happen with the E-minis, with the S&P today? Well, I want to go to the big picture on the one-day chart. This is the S&P one-day chart, and this was Friday, right over here where the market closed at 38.99. Now, the futures, let's see, the E-mini futures right now are 38.15. Now, I want to call your attention to this candle right here on May 20th. May 20th, the low was 38.10. Low 38.10 on May 20th, and the market is going to test that number. And I expect the bulls to try to defend this level. So right now we're trading at 38.15. Remember, I said keep that in the back of your mind. There might be an attempt to bring the market to some kind of equilibrium, in which case we could see a spinning top, a doji. Or there might even be a push to the upside where the market finishes the day higher than it opened. We will see. On the one-day chart, again, this was Friday. The market dropped overnight. This was overnight. This is all overnight trading. This was the close on Friday right here, 38.99. Call it 3900. And the market is trading way below that today, 80 points below that. Came up a little bit. I'm not going to show you my trading zone. It does predict prices to be trading at a higher level where they are now. So we will see. At any rate, I do want to announce that I'm going to be having a happy hour at Timeless Dollar tomorrow, June 14th. And I hope you can join. It's on Zoom. You don't have to use your camera. Just lend your voice. Click the link, go to my site, timelessdollar.com. click the link right here, join us for happy hour, and you'll get the link to the Zoom meeting. Mark that on your calendar. So I hope to see you tomorrow, June 14th. This is 4:30 p.m., so a half an hour after the market opens. It give you a chance to grab a drink, a beer, soda, whatever. Join us for the happy hour meeting. So that's it for today. Marv Eisen, June 13th, Timeless Dollar. And by the way, if you're looking for some help on trading the S&P E-minis and micro E-minis, go to my site and register for my E-mini trading course. And I even have a free E-mini trading course that talks about the pitfalls to avoid and to watch out for. And it's absolutely free mini course. It's right here, free mini course. Log in, register. And if you really want to know how to trade and trade better, register for my regular trading course. At any rate, that's it for the plug. Have a great day. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.